Hi guys, I just want to show you what we did the other night on Monday in terms of opening documents on Moodle. Okay, so the other night we went through the documentation that you need for work experience. Okay, so I'm on Moodle on your communications and work experience Moodle page. Okay, if you scroll down to the section we went through on Monday, work experience documentation. Okay, so I had mentioned to you in Mallow College we use Google Docs, okay? And we use Google Docs because we are aware that not everyone has Microsoft Word at home on their computers or laptops, okay? But you have two options here of how you might download these documents. Okay, so for example, if I click on Work Experience Timesheet, okay, so if I click on that, okay, so if I want to make changes to it and edit it, okay, as it stands, you can't make any changes or edits to these documents, okay? To do that, you can either do one of two things. Okay, so the first thing is to download it as a Microsoft Word document. So this, if you have Microsoft Word at home, you can download it as a Microsoft Word document, okay? So to do that, we're going to go to File, going to go to Download, and we're going to go to Microsoft Word. Okay, if you can see here, it's gone down to my bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So I'm going to click on that, and I'll click Enable Editing here at the top, and it has opened as a Microsoft Word document, and you can edit that away as you can see yourself. Okay, and if you want to save it, just go to File, Save As. I'm just, for example, going to save it to my desktop. So I'll go Browse, click on Desktop, and then you can just click Save here. Okay, so that's your first option, to save it as a Microsoft Word document. Okay, the other option, okay, so again, if you're clicking on this Work Experience Timesheet and you don't have Microsoft Word at home, the other option is to use Google Docs, okay? Because you have a email with Mallow College, you can use Google Docs for free. Okay, so remember, as I said, as it stands, once you click on that, you are unable to edit it. Okay, the only person who can edit it is me because I've set up this document. If you're at home and you want to edit this document, okay, to edit it as a Google Doc, okay, the first thing you're going to do is go to File and go to Make a Copy. And if you click OK, that will make a copy of the document for you, okay? And then you can edit that away when you're at home, okay? The other thing I want to show you is where do you get these Google Docs, okay? So once you've opened it and you've made a copy, where does it go? Okay, so on Moodle, over on the left-hand side, you should have something similar to what I have here underneath apps, okay? So you can have your email and Google Drive, okay? So this triangle here, this green, yellow, and blue triangle, if you click on that, it's called Google Drive, and it will take you to where you have opened any Google document, okay? So say, for example, we just made a copy here of that work experience template, and there it is, okay? So it's saved automatically in there for me, okay? So that's the two ways of how you can download a document from Moodle. Okay, so the first one, as I said, is if you've Microsoft Word at home, you can download it as a Word document, or the other option is if you don't have Microsoft Word, you can use Google Docs.